Welcome back to my channel, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. I know I have some guys on my channel too, so I'll say welcome, guys and ladies.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Michael KORS sneakers. It is called an opened weave raffia. I hope I pronounced that right, but in any which way, I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys to see what I meant. So I purchased these sneakers because I believe you can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it's going to be very spring friendly. Alright, I believe you could do it a little bit of it in the fall, but I would surely recommend it for spring and summer. And the reason why I'm recommending this for spring or summer, you are going to see the style. Alright, so if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Yes, ladies, guys, I'm gonna be wearing, I'm gonna be reviewing, and at the same time I'm gonna be styling it for you, probably in 2, 3, 4 different ways. Whatever I come up with, you all will see it as we continue on this video. Please let me know your thoughts about this video. Do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't before. Thank you all so much for watching, and let's jump right into today's video. So here is the box, and this is how I purchased it. Of course, like I said, it's by Michael KORS, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this is what we have going on in there. So on the box it is written Georgie trainer open weave raffia. The size is 9 medium US. All right, so this is what we have in here. Of course, you know we have two, so I'm just going to put this box down so I can talk more, and let me show you guys what this sneakers is looking like. All right, it has it's a 3-tone sneakers. It has a rose gold right here, we have white, and we have silver going on right here. And the reason why I said this is going to be more spring and summer friendly is because it is perforated. All right, so this is the weave. You can see it, like you can see through right here. So you don't want to wear this during the winter time. You're going to be a little bit cold even if you're wearing socks. So I'm going to recommend this for spring and summer, and this is how it's looking. The interior, it's so cool, like it feels so soft in there. Even right here it feels so soft, like it has some kind of I don't know, is it memory sole, I will call that. It's right there. And of course it has the Michael KORS print in there. It does have Michael KORS print out here too, and of course it comes with a lace, the rope, and let me see what we have going on inside. Of course they put all this just to keep it in shape, that's why they put this. All right, so this is how it's looking, and the sole is light pink. We have rose gold, we have white, and we have silver. So you can actually style this in so many ways. All right, I know a lot of people will be thinking also, when you look at the weave, the mesh that is right here, it has the rose gold and it has gold in between, and it has silver. I don't know how the camera is projecting it to you. I always say that because sometimes the light, when it's too much, it kind of make the products you're featuring look different to people out there. Because when I watch videos, sometimes I see that the color isn't looking like what I actually presented. That's why I like to mention that. How anyway, this is how it's looking. It's so pretty, I love it, and this is sold for $119 if I'm not wrong. Let me check again on the box. Yes, it's sold for $119, and that's the amount I purchased. It wasn't on sales. When I went into the store, I saw it. I'm a Michael KORS fan. I love Michael KORS products. I have a lot of their shoes and their purses, but when I saw it, I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna buy it. I wish they were on sale though, I'm not gonna lie, but because I love it and I could afford it as at that time, so I was like, why not? So I went for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start styling this for you guys. Please do not forget to let me know your thoughts about this video. Just like I said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. All right guys, the outside is very rigid. of these sneakers, like it's very strong, very sturdy, like very rigid. The inside is soft. Yeah, I just want to put that out there. You know, I'm always about putting things out there to let you know how it feels. It feels very comfortable. The inside is very, very soft, but when you touch the exterior, it's hard. That which means it's going to be very it's going to last you for a while, so it's money well spent. You get my point? So let's see the outfit from head to toe.
Beats Entertainment. Hey yo, Kochdauer. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you go because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives when you go because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, oh the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ song on the replay. Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor wanting some more. Come Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, ay. Mr. DJ song on the replay. Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor wanting some more. Come Mr. DJ want to turn the music up, ay. It's too late and I can't wait for you to be gone, cause I know about her and I wonder how I bought all the lies. Said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Just a waste of time. I should've kissed you, I should've told you